This little book is called Hide and Seek. We will be looking for words that make the ear sound. Dot went inside the house. "What happened, dear?" asked Mom. "The big kids called me Spots," Dot said, two tears running down her cheeks. So there are two words on this page that make the ear sound, dear and tears, and they're both spelled E-A-R. Mom said, "Cheer up, Dot. All young deer have spots. Spots can be most useful. Wait and see." So Dot went back out to play. The big deer started a game of hide and seek. Faye was it. There are three words on this page, well, actually two words, that make the ear sound, cheer and deer, and they are spelled E-E-R. Doe hid behind a tree, but her tail stuck out. Faye found her. Ray hid behind a bush, but his horn stuck up. Faye found him, too. Dot lay down in the tall grass. Faye could not find her. Now, I didn't find any words that make the ear sound. There are words that make the sound, but not the ear sound. At last, Faye gave up. "Where is Dot? Come out, Dot. You win." "Here I am," said Dot, standing up right near them. "I win, thanks to my spots." On this page, I see two words that make the ear sound, here and near. Here follows the E-R-E pattern, and near is spelled with E-A-R. And I circled the word where in blue because where has the pattern E-R-E in it, but it doesn't make the ear sound. It makes the air sound. Where, not we're. Faye said, "Next year you will be bigger and you will not have any spots. Then we will play again and see who wins." I found one word that makes the ear sound, the word year, spelled Y-E-A-R. I went ahead and started a list of words that make the ear sound in these three spelling patterns. So I'll read them to you. In the column labeled E-A-R, these are the second grade words that I could think of. Dear, tear, year, near, gear, here, clear, rear, spear, we're. We're is a contraction for we are. In the E-R-E column, all I could think of was the word here, come here. In the E-E-R column, dear, cheer, beer, and steer, like steer the bicycle. Maybe you can help me think of more.